Hi, this is Don Freetag.
Hello,
Hi, is this Don Freetag?
speaking.
Yes, I am Charlie Baker from eBay, and I have a carpentry set at my house.
Who are you?
Charlie Baker from eBay.
From eBay?
Yes, I have a carpentry set, and I heard, and I know somebody from your church. Is it Crossroads? Is that the name?
Yeah, Crossroads, yes.
Yes, they told me that you were really into carpentry.
What?
That you're really into carpentry.
The carpentry?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
I actually have a carpentry set at my house. And,
What do you need some work done?
no, I just wanted to know, if you, wanted it, because, I have no need for it. It used to be, it used to be my dad's, and, he recently passed. And he gave it to me because he had no one else who he wanted to give it to.
Well, so you're selling something.
No, I want to give it away for free.
Okay. Do you go to Crossroads Church?
No, my friend goes to Crossroads.